Oh, voila, and here you are, everyone. Look at that hearty, delicious creamed chicken over white rice and that perfectly cooked rice. Look at those hearty chunks of rotisserie chicken. We've added a croissant with that, and you can have what bread you want. Cornbread muffins or whatever, French bread, or make a side. All your vegetables are in here. I considered slicing some tomatoes just to garnish the plate and make it beautiful, but it's so full of vegetables, peas, carrots, and white potatoes, onions. You got some peppers in there, corn, green beans are in there, and big, hearty chunks of beautiful rotisserie chicken that's been simmering. It's tender, it's blessed, it's beautiful. Comment who's going to try this easy dish, this beautiful, healthy dish for your family. Guess what? Someone coming over quickly and you need to make a dish quick, huh? Your fiance coming over, huh? You winning his heart over? Look at that. Wow, you know he would love this dish here. Cream chicken over rice. It's our daughter's favorite dish. She said, Mom, make that cream chicken over rice. I'll tell you, she'd sit at the computer with a bowl of cream chicken over rice and just eat and work, eat and work. Yeah. So, y'all tell me how you love it. Give me a comment. Talk to me in the comments. And I just hope you like it. It's not complicated. Just go through the recipe. And I will see y'all on the next video. God bless and keep us until we meet again.